Hello students, hi everyone. Once again welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Today we are going to part 12 of construction of quadrilaterals. Is about construction of special type of quadrilaterals. Okay, yes. Construction of a line perpendicular to a given line. Construction of a line perpendicular to a given line. Let us construct a perpendicular line to a given line. Consider the question. Draw a line segment PQ of length 8.4 cm. Draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment PQ. Perpendicular bisector of this line segment PQ. Yes. Step 1. Draw a line segment PQ of length 8.4 centimeter. Draw a line segment PQ of 8.4 centimeter length. Suppose it is point P and it is Q of length 8.4 centimeter. With P as center, and radius more than half of length of PQ. Draw two arcs on either side of the line segment PQ. Yes. With P as center, taking P as center and measure the length of PQ. And take more than half of length of PQ as radius. Draw two arcs on either side of the PQ, that is above the PQ and below the PQ. Third step of construction. With Q as center and same radius as in step 2, draw two arcs on either side of the line segment PQ. Yes. Taking Q as center and same radius as before in step 2, draw two arcs on either side of the line segment PQ. Let the point of intersection of cutting arcs or L comma M. Yes, this is point L and this is point M. Fifth point, join L comma M. Therefore, line segment LM is the perpendicular bisector of PQ line segment. That means, let us suppose the point of intersection be O. So, angle QOL is 90 degree, so that PQ is perpendicular to LM or LM is perpendicular to PQ, as well as PO is equal to OQ and OL equal to what? OM. Okay student, next, construction of special type of quadrilaterals. Yes, let us see example 9. Draw a rhombus ABCD in which diagonals AC equal 4.5 cm and BD equal 6 centimeter. Yes, we are given two diagonals of rhombus and we have to construct ABCD rhombus. Since the diagonals of a rhombus, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other, perpendicularly. Therefore, diagonals are AC and BD. AC and BD are diagonals of the rhombus ABCD. Suppose which bisect each other at O. Therefore, angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Yes. Consider the rough diagram. AC, BD are two diagonals. They bisect each other perpendicularly. That means angle AOB equal to what? 90 degree. As well as OB or OD. Since they bisect, therefore OB is equal to what? OD. As well as AO equal to OC. That is OB or OD equal to half of the diagonal BD. That is half of the diagonal BD, BD by 2, which is equal, the BD length is given that 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter by 2, that is 3 centimeter length. Yes. We proceed to construction. Step 1. Steps of construction. Draw a line segment AC of length 4.5 centimeter. Since AC is given by 4.5 centimeter, we have to draw AC equal 4.5 centimeter. Draw a line segment AC equal 4.5 centimeter. AC of length 4.5 centimeter. Next step of construction. Second point. Draw perpendicular bisector XY to line segment AC. And mark the point of intersection as 0. To draw perpendicular bisector of AC, measure the length of AC with C as center and taking radius as more than half of length of AC. Draw two arcs on either side of the line segment AC. With the same compass setting, taking A as center, draw two arcs on either side of the line segment AC and join the cutting points of arcs. That is, the cutting points are X and Y. So, XY is the perpendicular bisector of line segment AC. And let us denote the intersection point of AC and XY as O. Next step of construction, third point. With O as center and radius OB equal to OD equal to 3 centimeter, draw two arcs on either side of the line segment AC to cut XY line at B and D. Since we know that OD equal half of BD, that is 3 centimeter, taking O as center and radius OD equal 3 centimeter, we have to draw 2 arcs. So set the compass of radius 3 centimeter length and taking O as center, draw 2 arcs. Draw 2 arcs on either side of the AC and locate this point B and this point as D. Yes. Now join A comma B and A comma D. Yes. Join A comma B and A comma D, C comma D and B comma C. So A, B, C, D. Therefore A, B, C, D is the required rhombus. Okay. Next we have a think, discuss and write. Can you construct the above quadrilateral rhombus taking BD as base instead of AC? If not, give reasons. That is, the above question is that example 9, that is, draw a rhombus ABCD in which diagonal AC equal 4.5 and BD equal 6 centimeter. Yes, that is previous question. In the previous question, we taken AC as base. Now in this question, we have to take BD as base. Okay. Consider the rough diagram. Now we have to draw first BD as base, that is equal 6 centimeter length, and then we have to construct perpendicular bisector of BD, that is AC, having OA equal to OC equal 2.25 meters. Since AC comma BD are diagonals, then OA equal OC equal half of AC, that is 4.5 centimeter by 2, which is equal to 2.25 centimeter each. Okay, and then we have to join AB, BC, CD, DA to get required quadrilateral rhombus ABCD. First, draw line segment BD equal 6 centimeter in length. So consider a line segment BD equal 6 centimeter. Yes, this is point B and this is point D of length 6 centimeter. Now we are taking BD as base first. Second step, draw perpendicular bisector XY to line segment BD and mark the point of intersection as O. Yes. Taking D as center and radius more than half of length of line segment BD, draw 2 arcs on either side of the line segment BD with the same compass setting and B as center. Draw 2 arcs to cut the previous arcs at point L and M. Join L and M and mark the intersection point of BD and LM as O. Next step of construction, since OA OC equal to half of AC, that is 2.25 centimeter, with O as center and radius OA equal to OC equal to 2.25 centimeter. Draw two arcs on either side of the line segment BD to cut LM line at A and C. This is perpendicular line XY which is perpendicular to BD, so that angle DOX equal 90 degree. Now set the compass of radius 2.25 centimeter and taking O as center, draw two arcs on either side of the line segment BD to cut XY line segment at point A and point C, where OA equal 2.25 centimeter, OC equal also 2.25 centimeter. Next step of construction, join A comma B, B comma C, C comma D and D comma A. Join A comma B and B comma C, C comma D and D comma A. Okay. Therefore, ABCD is the required rhombus. Yes. So we can construct rhombus ABCD taking BD as base instead of AC as base. Next question in think, discuss and write. Suppose the two diagonals of this rhombus are equal in length. What figure do you obtain? Draw a rough sketch for it. State reasons. Okay. Consider rhombus and square. Let us recall the properties of rhombus. In a rhombus, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Diagonals are unequal. And diagonals are perpendicular to each other. These are the properties of rhombus. Consider the properties of square. In a square, all sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. Diagonals are also equal. And third point, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, suppose the two diagonals of a rhombus are equal in length, then it becomes a square. It becomes a square. Yes. In a rhombus, if diagonals are equal, then the figure obtained is called square. Let us consider the diagram or rough diagram. Let us construct the diagram. Suppose the diagonals AC, BD are equal to 4 centimeter in length. Since diagonals are equal, let us consider diagonals AC, BD equal 4 centimeter. Okay. Yeah. Now taking AC as base of length 4 centimeter. This is AC equal 4 centimeter. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Taking C as center and more than half of length of AC as radius, draw two arcs on either side of the line segment AC. With the same compass setting and A as center, draw two arcs on either side of the line segment AC. And denote the cutting points of arcs as X and Y. Now join X and Y. This is the perpendicular bisector of line segment AC, which is equal to 90 degree. And consider the point of intersection as O. AC equal to what? 4 centimeter. Now we know that since BD is a diagonal of square ABCD, then OD equal half of BD. That is, BD is 4 centimeter, half of 4 is 2 centimeter. Now set the compass. Of radius 2 centimeter. Now taking O as center, draw two arcs on either side of the line segment AC. And denote these point of intersection of arc and line segment XY as B and D, where OB equal 2 centimeter, OD equal 2 centimeter, and join AB, AD, CD, CB. So ABCD is the required square. Okay students, this completes the part 12 of construction of quadrilaterals. Thank you. Have a nice day.